Narrator, want to make your messenger notes way more fun? Let's add music in under 60 seconds. Narrator, first, open the Messenger app and make sure you're on the main chat screen. Narrator, at the top, tap your profile picture to open your settings. Narrator, here, look for the Notes section. Tap it to manage your notes. Narrator, now, tap Create a Note. This is where you'll add your text and music. Narrator, type your message, something short and fun that fits your vibe. Narrator, next, tap the little music icon to add a song to your note. Narrator, browse the list or use the search bar to find the track you want. Narrator, tap your song, then adjust the snippet if Messenger lets you choose the part you like. Narrator, when you're happy, tap Done or Save to lock in the music. Narrator, finally, hit Share or Post so your Messenger friends can hear your note. Narrator, and that's it, your Messenger note now plays with music every time friends tap it.